Hi loves, it's me. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we will go into channel some love messages from your person and also advices from the spirits. Okay, bago tayo mag-start, I would like to invite you to follow our other social media platform like IG account. And if you feel resonated with my energy, my loves, please feel free to visit our Shopee account and the link is in the description box. Okay, thank you so much po sa lahat ng mga sumusuporta sa ating newly subscribers. Thank you so much po and I really appreciate yung comments po ninyo. Thank you so much. Okay, let's start and let's move forward. So ngayon, let's read the energy first. Okay. The man. Masculine figure. The ship. And the child, the beginnings. Okay, so dito pa lang sa 3 cards natin, makikita natin na most of this energy is all about the masculine energy or to anyone with male figure in their love. I feel free na some of you are male current or kumbaga some of my collectives are masculine. We have masculine energy. Okay, so I see changes here, the adventure and journey. Kasi kumbaga meron kang patutunguhan, meron kang mga bagay. And this one, yung dalawang to, the sheep and the child, also interconnected because the child symbolizes the new beginnings. Okay, for my collectives, new beginnings. And this one, we can take this as the journey with playful energy. Okay, maybe you are also dealing with some masculine energy with playful energy. I also see you. There is a possibility if you are in a relationship, my loves, you are going to travel somewhere with your masculine energy, and if you are my masculine collectives. But this one, tingnan nyo kung saan siya papunta. Itong ship na to, and napaka-colorful niya. Kung mapapansin nyo, yung may mga flaglets, puro siya bahay. In this Slavic folklore kasi, kumbaga, ito yung adventure. Kumbaga, ito talaga nagsisimbolize ng adventure. Naglalakbay yung buong syudad. So, this one, it is sure na merong it's either magta-travel ka with someone or may paparating na new beginnings. Malakas ang energy ng new beginnings dito. This is, yung ship ay papunta doon sa new beginnings na kung saan ay magra-radiate ng innocence and playful energy. So, positibo ang kahatungan ng energy na to. Okay, so there's a positive shift for you or maybe for your relationship. And yun nga, kagaya na sinabi ko, if you're dealing with someone, may tendency na mag-travel kayo together na magbibigay sa inyo ng very playful energy. I also see if you are in separation, you may find someone new. Okay? You may find someone new or maaaring papunta ka na doon, paparating na yung someone new mo. Kasi, kumbaga, another sail ng inyong journey. Kasi, lahat ng ship or mga bangka ay lagi nagsisimbolize yan sa journey. Okay. Let's see some supporting messages here. Okay, supporting messages for this masculine. So maybe ang ating mga collectives are more on masculine na may planong mag-travel with their someone or may paparating na new beginning sa kanila. Or if it is twin flame connection, our divine masculine are heading into new beginnings of their life. Camera. Women I see. Okay, so our masculine energy here are not dealing, hurt, avoiding. So, dito yung sa ating masculine energy is the camera. And sa ship, not today. Boundaries. Ooh. Paradise. Okay. So, dito, kung makikita natin, avoiding conversation. I feel na your masculine or the masculine energy in this connection are avoiding a conversation. Avoiding a communication for their counterpart or for their partner. Still angry. The divine masculine in this connection are kumbaga may pinaninindigan. Ito yung kumbaga energy. Ito yung energy eh. Kumbaga nandun yung journey, dapat pumunta ka na. Or sabihin na natin, meron nang mabago. Meron na dapat na niyang, sabihin natin, the divine also give this masculine task to approach. I feel na meron, may someone, some of you, if you are the feminine, may nagmamatigas dito. And pinaninindigan ng someone na to that they are still angry. Okay, sige, sabihin natin the masculine energy in this connection are still avoiding a conversation or a call. Pero iyon yung sa kanya eh. Iyon yung binubulong sa kanya, ina-advise sa kanya na makipag-communicate siya. But still, pinaninindigan nila na they are hurt and they are still angry. Kaya pala, yung man natin dito, kung titingnan nyo yung man natin dito, mukha siyang galit. Titingnan nyo. Mukhang galit yung ating masculine energy here. But, they are reminiscing. Reminiscing and also they are learning from the past. Okay. They are reminiscing. Binabalikan nila yung memories nila sa past. Okay, but dito, ang ganda ng energy dito sa gawin na to eh. Pero dito sa gitnang energy natin is, kumbaga nandun yung confusion. Dun ka sana heading towards dito. Okay. May tendency the calling with the divine is avoiding. Some of you, your sabihin natin your flame, your person is avoiding the divine calling. Okay? Na kung sasagutin niya is magkokos sa kanya ng paradise. Okay? Kung sasagutin niya, kung sasabihin natin, i-accept niya yung conversation, ay, di ba, ito lumito playfulness sa paradise. Nag-confirm parehas playfulness. But they are still angry here. Dito sa energy na to, ayaw nilang mag-approach. Okay? The spirits, I feel na the spirits told them, this person, na kumbaga makipag-communicate ka na. Makipag-communicate ka, mag-approach ka na. But this masculine energy are still angry and kumbaga pinaninindigan nila that they are hurt. They are avoiding call, they are avoiding this, you, maybe you. But kumbaga, ayaw nilang kalimutan yung nakaraan. May tendency din na yung nakaraan na ayaw nilang kalimutan is yung part na nasaktan sila. Okay? But they are reminiscing here. And eto yung maganda kasi dito, the paradise and the child. Pero sabi nga dito, not today. Ayaw pa nilang i-accept itong energy na to. Ayaw nilang i-accept yung oneness, expansion, joy, or happiness dito sa ano, ayaw pa nilang magbago, ayaw pa nilang tumuntong sa new phase. Okay, so one of you, it's either this is you or this is your person. Okay, so this is a strong confirmation na spirits wants them to do this, to travel to you or to approach. Ito yung gusto ng spirits, mag-approach ka na para sa new beginnings. Maybe it's reconciliation, pero your person, kumbaga still ignoring, or sabihin natin I feel na pinaninindigan nila yung energy ng pagiging mad. Bakit? Pinaninindigan nila yung energy ng pagiging pagiging mad. Okay, they can also learn from their past. But yung sabihin natin they still standing their ground. And yun, tinatanggi, kumbaga, dito sa kanilang procrastination when it comes to conversation, na pwede nilang ma-miss tong paradise and new beginnings. Let's see supporting messages from this. Okay. Itong camera, they still remember they still remember the past. Recovery generation. Moving on. Lumitaw ulit yung moving on dito. And lessons learned. Okay, if you are my masculine energy, may tendency na ang ating masculine energy are still hurt. Kumbaga, natuto sila sa kanilang feminine energy, kumbaga sa mga kanilang previous relationship, and yun nga, they are standing their ground. But this one, may tendency may ma-miss kang opportunity. May ma-miss kang opportunity, may ma-miss kang happiness and expansion. I also feel na some of you are merong nakikipag-communicate sa inyo about this relationship, but you are standing your ground. You are standing your ground. Kasi, and lumataw dito dalawang learn from the past and lessons learned. Natutunan mo na yung mga bagay na, kumbaga, itinuro sa'yo ng relationship na to, at naglagay ka na ng boundaries. And sa paglalagay ng boundaries na yun, kumbaga, dito mo mauumpisa, meron kang, kumbaga, makaka-receive ka ng new expansion, and sabihin natin, new joy from this new beginning. Some of you are cutting their cord, but yung kasing still angry, hindi kasi natin matatawag na healthy yun, healthy boundaries para sa'yo, kasi you still angry with that. Kumbaga, ayaw mo, you still hurt. So, from this one, kailangan maka-move on even stronger because of the revise of 10 of swords natin. Okay. Justice. Okay, justice, universal, cause and effect, the truth. Sudden change, ayun na naman, ang new beginning. Okay, my loves? I feel na dito, you are hurt by someone na, kumbaga, na nakikipag-communicate pa rin sa'yo, and you ngayon ay okay, you are dealing with someone na naka-hurt sa'yo, and kung mapapansin natin, kung natutunan mo na yung lesson, nagbigay ka na ng boundaries dito, and sa pagbibigay ng boundaries na yon, you avoiding communication with this person. Sa pagbibigay ng boundaries na yon, kumbaga andito, masaserve yung justice na nararapat because you are hurt from the past. Okay, so expect the sudden change. If you are, sabihin natin na nag-card ka na, get ready for an awakening. So nandito din yung revelation, maaaring na-hurt ka from the past and ngayon ay mare-reveal na yung truth. Itong new beginnings na to ay may hatid sa yung katotohanan and justice. Okay. So, dito, maaari ikaw ay biktima din ng manipulation, ng roller coaster emotion. And, kung ilalagay mo na because of the swords dito sa justice and sa boundaries, kung magkakaroon ka na ng boundaries with this someone, the new beginning is ahead of you. Kumbaga, sobrang sudden change ang pwede mong ma-receive regarding with this situation. Okay, stronger. I see the positive energy here when dealing with boundaries. Okay, but this one kasi, you're still angry with this person, or maybe I feel na some of you are dealing with masculine energy na sabihin natin pinaikot ka at ngayon ay bumabalik sa'yo. So yung pagpapaikot na yun, wala kang alam doon, basta naramdaman mo siya na ikaw ay niloloko ng taong to. Maybe may may hatid tong truth and revelation sa'yo. And yung katotohanan na yun ay magbibigay sa'yo ng radical change and sudden change. So, yung change na dala na yon, huwag ka mag-alala my loves, because joy ang hatid nun, playfulness na energy ang hatid nun. Dito sa dito sa energy na to, medyo parang mahirap siya because yun nga, you are avoiding a conversation. Pero may mga pagkakataon kasi na you can forgive someone but the access is denied. Yung kumbaga hindi mo na kailangan pang ibalik or i-reconnect, or hindi mo na kailangan sabihin natin casual kayong mag-usap. Kumbaga yung access niya sa'yo is totally, I feel na nilimitahan mo na talaga or ayaw mong makipag-usap. I also feel the tower. Okay, tower to anyone or sabihin natin kung sino man yung nag-cause ng manipulation dito sa partnership na to. Because of the justice and tower. Okay? Makaka-recover, nandyan ang recover, basta kailangan ma-serve ang lesson, natutunan ang lesson, the healing are also coming. Okay, so yun, lahat ng hurt na naramdaman mo sa relationship na to, mabibigyan ng hustisya. Okay? So, kadalasan yung hurt na yan is more an emotional torture. Na, kumbaga, hindi mo alam ang katotohanan. Minsan, ikaw pa yung sisisihin. Or, sabi nga tayo, yung ginaslight ka o i-manipulate. Okay. Let's read message from this person. Message from this person. You are so beautiful. Why do you need me? I just want you all the time. This is message from your person. I want you to choose. I feel na, yes, this is message from masculine. So, kagaya ng sinabi natin kanina, they are still hurt. They are still hurt. may tendency na yung cause ng separation nyo is because of your strong boundaries. Okay? Ang causes ng separation nyo, if you are into separation, ang causes nun is strong boundaries because of something na kailangan ng justisya or justice. I feel na na-manipulate ka din dito before, and kumbaga, without clarification, yung deserve mo sa pangyayari na to, maybe may tendency nga i-gaslight ka nito, and naglagay ka ng boundaries dito sa connection na to. But they stir into you. But dito, they can't promise. I think they can't promise because of this. I want you to choose. So, meron kasing new beginnings na nag-iintay sa'yo, but kumbaga, it's up to you. Ito equivalent nun, it's up to you. If you still kung mag-i-stay ka dito, but yun, one thing is for sure, this person is still into you. But yun nga, kailangan mo, it's either you or them, na maipakita na serve yung purpose ng, okay, I feel na this person or yung person na nagmanipulate, nag-cause ng hurt and chaos sa relationship, they are receiving their karma because of the justice card. But this one, kumbaga, they still into you, pero hanggat they still into you because they are still reminiscing something about your relationship. Pero, kumbaga, the karma must serve. Okay? Dapat ma-serve yung karma. Yun kasi ano din yung justice. And hanggat hindi nasa-serve to, hindi kayo magkakaroon ng new beginnings. But this one, I also feel na meron talagang nagmamatigas na energy. I also feel na may nagmamatigas na energy dito, na even the divine ay hindi niya pinapakinggan. Kasi ang ang tigas ng energy nang nafe-feel ko dito. And this one, yung I want you to choose, kumbaga, it's either kung pipiliin mo siya yun, or kung pipiliin mo yung new path or yung new beginning. I feel the stubbornness with this person, with this masculine energy. I feel that the stubbornness with the masculine energy, and the spirits wants them to learn the lesson by serving this karma. Okay, so the tower moment is sabihin natin are coming for them. Don't worry my loves, because sa isang partnership naman talaga is kailangan din talaga ng justice, lalo na pag nandyan yung manipulation and gaslighting. Kumbaga, hindi mo pwedeng maging kapartner ang isang taong nag-e-enjoy nang minamanipulate ka, nang nag-e-enjoy na sabihin natin kahit na maliit lang na bagay ay kaya niyang gawa ng kasinungalingan. Hindi natin pwede i-tolerate yon sa isang relationship. Okay, let's pull some angel messages from... Okay, let's pull some card. Let's pull some love messages from angels. Getting to know each other. Okay, I feel this one, this child, this paradise, this sudden change. I also feel na may someone na bago na darating sa'yo. Kaya they want you to choose. Okay? They want you to choose. Kumbaga, this your person na ini-inquire mo right now, they still into you. But, the spirits want you to know that the karma must serve to this person. And yan, yung katulad yan, sinabi ko, this person must, dapat niyang pagdaanan yung mga lessons na kailangan niyang i-take because of the, sabihin natin, yung mga na-cause niyang pain sa relationship na to. And there are someone na paparating, this is new, na kumbaga, kikilalanin mo ng lubos, or sabihin natin, panibago. Kasi nandito nga, si kagaya na sinabi ko na nandito yung new beginnings. Dalawa dito, the child and the tower, sudden change, may darating na panibagong new forms of love or new love is coming. And your person right now want you to choose. Siya ba yung bagong paparating or siya? Okay. So, it's up to you, my loves, kung ano, kung sino ang gusto mo. But, kagaya nga ng sinabi ko, your person still into you. But, they have lessons to be learned. They have justice to be served. Kumbaga, kailangan nilang ma-serve yung justice. And kagaya ng mga ina-advise ko, wag mo hayaan na ikaw yung maging blockages doon sa mga lessons na sinuserve sa kanya ni universe or ni divine. Hayaan mo matutunan niya yung mga bagay-bagay na kailangan niyang matutunan. And kung sila ay nasa tower moment, iyon ay pagkakataon para sa kanilang expansion and growth. But right now, they want you to choose. Kung gusto mo nang subukin itong bagong paparating na to. But the spirits also I want you to, okay, the spirits also want you to know na they advise you to grab this, itong changes na to, embrace this, and getting to know each other. Kumbaga, kilalanin mong mabuti yung bagong paparating na to. Okay, last card for this. Ayan. Transformation. Okay. So, your relationship with one another is about to deepen. Love conquers and transform all things. Okay. So, this love relationship, sabihin na natin currently ay dumadaan sa tower moments. One of our collectives ay dumaan, or yung person nila ay dumaan sa tower moment. And eto, yung justice na to, the truth, the revelation, pag na-served ito is, sabihin natin nandun na nga yung new beginnings. Some of you, the spirits want you to know na dalawa na getting to know each other and deepen. Maaaring nga new forms of love, kagaya ng sinabi ko kanina. But, yun, because your person is still into you, pero kailangan ma-serve yung karma or yung lessons dito sa connection na to. And after, siguro, kung makikita na or na-serve yung justice, the spirits are also advising you to getting to know deeper each other para sa transformation. Kung hindi nyo kikilalanin ng isa't isa, walang magandang pagbabago with this relationship. So, spirits also advise to become vulnerable with this. Okay, one of you, maaari ngang matigas, still angry, still avoiding the conversation, but spirits wants you to know na yun ang kailangan nyong baguhin. In case na nandun kayo sa period, in case na nagkaroon na ng hustisya ang mga bagay-bagay na nangyari, or in case na na-serve na yung lesson, the spirits want you to know, to get to know each other as you reveal your innermost self to each other. Maaaring nung una-unang phase ng inyong relationship ay hindi pa kayo nagkakakilanlan masyado, and maybe this one is another chance for you to deepen your connection with this person. Okay. So, yun, may tendency na reconnection ang hatid din ng reading na to. Pero, this reconnection must serve the lesson. Hanggat hindi kasi nasi-serve yung lesson dito, ay, kumbaga, hindi kayo walang change na magbabago. Walang change na magbabago with this child and this transformation. Walang positive change na mangyayari kung hindi ito na-serve yung karma or yung justice na kailangan is maipakita ng person mo na nagbago na or na-serve yung lesson. But this one, kagaya ng sinabi ko, your person is still into you. They still attracted to you. Kaya din, kumbaga, nagre-reminisce yung person mo sa mga bagay-bagay, sa mga memories. Okay? So, and that's all for this reading, my loves. I'm sending you lots of love and light. See you in my next one.